Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm back today with another hair review. So obviously you guys saw in the title, this unit is near and dear to my heart, guys. This unit is a unit that I custom created for MyFirstWigs.com. So this unit is called Dominique and it is created by me. So I kind of was going through trying to figure out what kind of wig I wanted to create for them, for the website and for myself. So when I kind of thought about all the videos that I did, I came up with the idea of doing a bob style unit that was a Yaki textured unit. That was probably one of my most popular videos on here recently, and just a lot of the reviews that I've done, I've gotten more views off the bob units. Like, everyone could rock a middle part black wig and stuff like that, long black wig or kind of like ombre style wig, but bobs are something that people just are drawn to, and I'm really drawn to bobs just because they look really nice. They can either be casual or classy. It's just a hairstyle that I really feel like is just versatile. You can wear it like anywhere, all the time, no matter what. So I wanted to create this unit just because I wanted something that was really nice and fresh, a nice density, not too thick and not too thin. And you guys know I'm obsessed with Yaki textured hair, so I had to get some Yaki textured hair for this unit. Now this is a perfectly cut bob, guys. In the video I didn't have to do anything as far as styling it, meaning cutting it. So they custom cut it perfectly to the length and the kind of style that I liked. And basically what we did was kind of reference it off of the video that I did, and I'll attach the video up here when I did the stocking cap method. I actually cut that wig by myself and the wig came out perfect. So this wig is almost a replica of that exact same style that I did on that unit. So if you want to see that video, I'll link it up here for you guys. So I was trying to go for a look just like that because a lot of you guys wanted to kind of get a wig like that was cut like that, styled like that. So the whole purpose of me making this wig is to give you guys the opportunity to go out and purchase a wig that resembles exactly that wig. Now I love this so much, guys. It's a really nice light Yaki hair. So you guys know I'm obsessed with Yaki hair, and the reason why I'm obsessed with Yaki hair is because when it comes to, it's a nice texture, it's not thin, it also has a nice luster, and when you do put your straightener through it, it just makes it look so much better, and it just gives the hair more of a realistic vibe. Now you don't have to be African American to wear Yaki textured hair. You can be Caucasian, you can be Middle Eastern, you can be whatever. If you want to wear hair like this, I recommend putting just straighten it lightly just to give it a nice crisp look, and just look at this, like, it's just so nice. So what I did do, guys, I did go in and I went in and just cut the baby hairs a little bit and just did my little baby hair magic on the side. I do add powder on it like I always do in all my videos just because the powder will bring it more to life. So I did add powder in the parting space here and around the opening ears where the baby hair was shown. Now, with this unit, guys, it's not a full lace wig. It is just lace in the front right here, and then there's like tracks in the back, but it's enough parting space, about 3.5 to 4 inches of parting space, so you have enough parting space to do whatever you want. So what I did with this unit, guys, I just went in and just cut the baby hair just slightly. The baby hairs weren't too long and crazy, so it was just like something real simple that I did with it. So I just went and cut the baby hairs a little bit and then just used my Got2b glue just to lay them down. Now I did use the yellow Got2b glue. I should have used the black one, but I actually ran out of it, so I need to get another one. The black one does do better with the baby hairs versus the yellow one. The yellow one I do use just to kind of put the wig down, but the black one is perfect for the baby hair, so I'll probably just have to get some more of that. Other than that, guys, that's all I did with this unit. When I do my baby hairs, I don't do them all the way around the perimeter here just because the bang is there and you're not going to see it, so it's kind of pointless. So that's basically all I did as far as styling this unit, guys. It was very simple, and I did show you guys what the back looked like. It's just nice overall, guys. And I do want to say, before I run off of this video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who supported me. If you guys didn't support me, I probably wouldn't have gotten this opportunity, and I want to say thank you to everyone. Just the other day I was looking at my subscriber count and I'm almost at 150,000 subscribers. It's kind of crazy because I was just at 100,000, now I'm just hitting the 150, and then eventually I'll be at the 200, and then hopefully a million. So I want to say thank you to everyone who keeps watching my videos, sharing my videos, subscribing to my channel, and, you know, just pushing my videos, even on social media. Like on my Instagram, I'm always getting tagged and stuff, and I'm getting tagged on like you know, very popular Instagrams, and it's so cool to see that people actually, you know, fuck with me like that, you know what I mean? Like, that's really nice. So I want to say thank you to everyone, and if you guys weren't around, if you guys weren't here rooting for me and supporting me, I wouldn't have this opportunity right now. And I do have a lot of amazing things that are about to happen this year, so I'm gonna make you guys proud. Like That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make you guys all proud. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing Dominique from MyFirstWigs.com. It should be up by the time this video goes up on their website, so go ahead and buy the wig and then tell me what you think. If you do post a picture on Instagram, make sure you tag MyFirstWigs and also tag me, DeliciousDom12, on Instagram. Now, do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.